It's important to remember that not every mistake your child makes in speech and language indicates an actual problem, depending on your child's age. Of course, children often mispronounce words, either by leaving sounds out or saying the wrong sound in a word, like ba for ball or tat for cat. They may also use incorrect verb conjugations or simplify sentences, like mama jump instead of mama is jumping. This is perfectly normal speech development for a toddler. These same patterns in an older child or adult would be atypical and potentially distracting to a listener. If you have concerns about the way your child's speech or language is developing, a speech-language pathologist is absolutely the right person to go to for an opinion. They know how to listen to your child communicate and can let you know if there's anything that may need to be addressed. As you move forward on your journey to learn more about your child's speech and language skills, here are a few key points to remember. Language happens in the brain and speech happens in the mouth. A person uses their language to choose words and put them in the right order. A person uses their speech to actually say the words. And a person can have difficulties in either speech, language, or both.